Hello dear student, I am Varun Nishad from LPM school. In previous video, we have discussed about the concentration of solution, and concentration of solution are expressed in your class 9th, the mass by mass percentage and volume by volume percentage. But in previous video, we have discussed about the some numericals of mass by mass percentage. But in this video, we are discuss about the volume by volume percentage of the concentration of the solution. Now, question is simple question is that the 10% alcohol, 10% alcohol. So 10% alcohol, and question, what will be the solution, solute and solvent? टेन परसेंट एल्कोहल है, सॉल्यूशन है, 10% अल्कोहल का एक सॉल्यूशन है, एंड व्हाट विल क्वेश्चन इज दैट व्हाट विल बी द सॉल्यूशन, कितना सॉल्यूशन होगा और कितना आपका सॉल्यूट होगा और कितना आपका सॉल्वेंट होगा. सो 10%, तो 10% का मीन्स है 10 ml dissolve in 100 ml water, because water is universal solvent, that's we have to predict that the 10 ml alcohol is dissolved into water. Now solution, so solution is 10 ml, so solute will be 10 ml, and solution, solvent will be and you know that solute plus solvent, तो सॉल्यूशन कितना दिया है, सॉल्यूशन आपका 100 दिया है, 100 ml सॉल्यूशन, 100 ml सॉल्यूशन, 100 ml सॉल्यूशन है. तो 100 ml सॉल्यूशन है, तो आप यहां पे क्या करेंगे, 100 इज इक्वल टू 10 प्लस सॉल्वेंट, 10 प्लस सॉल्वेंट, तो 100 माइनस 10 इज इक्वल टू सॉल्वेंट, सो 90 इज इक्वल टू सॉल्वेंट, 90 इज इक्वल टू सॉल्वेंट. तो आपकी सॉल्वेंट की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी, 90 ml, और यहां पे सॉल्यूशन की वैल्यू क्या हो जाएगी आपका, इट विल बी 100 ml. तो 100 ml सॉल्यूशन में आपका 10 ml सॉल्यूट है और 90 ml क्या है, आपका सॉल्वेंट है. सो इट विल बी द आंसर ऑफ 10% अल्कोहल ऑफ द solution. Now another question is that, now question is dear student, 25 ml ethanol, 25 ml ethanol is present in 150 ml of its solution, what is the concentration of the solution. What is the concentration of the solution? So it will be solved as both solute and solvent are in liquid. So it will be measure its concentration in the volume by volume percentage. So it will be equal to volume of solute is divided by volume of solution. Volume of solution into 100. So let's put the value 25 ml solute, that is ethanol, and 150 ml solution, that will be and after that 100. So it will be cancelled with 0 to 0, and now 25 upon 15 into 10. 25 upon 15 into 10. So now after division from 22 by 15, so it will be gone by then, and so it will be added 0 and it will be 90, again 10 is found. Suppose it will be, write it as 90, again it will be 10. So our answer will be 16 upon 677. तो यहां पे क्या कर देंगे 16 upon 16.67 into 10. So it will be, अगर यहाँ पे एक डिजिट कम कर देते हैं तो 16 into 67%. So it will be the concentration of the solution. Now, so in this way we can find the concentration of solution in the reference of volume by volume percentage. Now another question which is, it will be write as another question, that is 40 ml alcohol dissolve in 400 ml water. 400 ml water. What will be what is the concentration of the solution? So there is a 40 ml solute and 400 ml water. तो 400 ml water तो हम कैसे निकालेंगे? वॉल्यूम बाई वॉल्यूम परसेंटेज. So it will be write it as, so volume by volume percentage is equal to, again volume of solute, same formula, is divided by volume of solution. So volume of solute already given 40, but it is a solvent, not a solution. तो सॉल्यूशन को कैसे निकालेंगे? सॉल्यूशन इज इक्वल टू सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट, सॉल्यूट प्लस सॉल्वेंट। तो सॉल्यूट की वैल्यू कितनी है? 40 है, एंड प्लस सॉल्वेंट की वैल्यू कितनी है? 400 ml. सो इट विल बी एडेड एज 400 ml and it will be equal to 440 ml. That is solution. So 440 ml solution, and that is 440 ml into write it again on 100 into 100. So it will be write as cancel 40 upon 44 into 10. Suppose it will be calculated as, it will be 1 by 1, so 10 upon 1 into 10, so it is cancel 11%, 11% concentration, 11% concentration by volume percentage. So in this way we can find the concentration in the volume by volume percentage. Now another question will be the 40 ml milk is mixed into 170 ml in water. What will be the concentration of the solution? It will be written as we calculate this concentration in the reference of volume by volume percentage. So volume of solute is divided by volume of solution into 100. So volume of solute will be 40, and volume of solution, it is a ml water, it is a solvent. So solution will be 40 plus 170 into 100, and 40 upon 200, 10 into 100. So it will be cancel with 40 upon 21 into 10. So 40, you will be act as sorry, by mistake it will be the value will be 70 ml. So sorry, my mistake, 70 ml. So value will be 70 ml. 70 plus 170. 70 plus 170. Sorry, my mistake, it will be right as the both value are wrong. After correction, it will find that 70 ml milk and mix into 140 ml in water. So it will be right here as 70 plus 140 ml. So after addition, it will be 70. And after that 70, so it will be equal to 7.33%. So volume by volume percentage will be equal to 33.3%. Now another aspect we will discuss in the next video.